Can you make DIY nail charms using gel polish with resin molds and food molds? Let's find out in today's video. Hey guys, it's Jay the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be seeing if we can make DIY nail charms using just gel polish and also this cute little resin mold and this cute gummy bear food mold. So let's see if this works. I'm also going to be using this BMC color changing gel polish, as well as a whole bunch of other gel polishes in my collection. We're just kind of winging it today and seeing if this will even work in general. So to begin with, I'm just going to put the base of my UV nail lamp on the bottom here. It has a lot of resin on the bottom, so don't mind that. This is also a resin mold, a little resin charm mold. It's super tiny, hard to see. So since resin molds, UV resin molds are usually clear, I'm going to put it onto this black base so that we can see it better. And first thing I'm going to do is just take this color shifting nail polish and put it into this little diamond mold right here. I'm just going to paint the whole bottom. For me, I really can't see, so it might be really sloppy looking, but yeah, I'm just going to paint as much as I can in there, and then I will fill it in, trying to add drops of polish until it is completely full, and just trying to spread it around evenly. Now you can totally make nail charms using just UV resin, but it is a kind of like messier process to color and mix everything and then pour. And then since it's majority clear, depending on what pigments you use in there, it's just a lot more work. So I thought, what if I just use already tinted gel polish, since I have them in the various colors already, and see if that works. That might be easier, and it cures under UV LED as well. So let's give this a try. So I'm just going to continue filling this up until I think there's enough polish in the mold. If you do overfill, it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Model 1's glitter gel polish and fill in the rest of the bottom row. Again, like I said, I literally can't see any of the crevices, so I'm just kind of guessing. But on the camera you can probably see it a lot better, but in real life it's really, really tiny, and my vision is very, very poor, so yeah, forgive me for the mess. But yeah, I'm just gonna, so this glitter polish, I'm just going to coat the very bottom. I'm basically just painting the bottom of each mold. Okay, so I'm just painting the bottom of each mold, like I said, and I'm not going to fill it all the way up with the glitter gel polish, though you totally can, but I don't want to waste all my glitter gel, so I'm just going to paint the bottoms and fill it in with something else. So after you paint the bottoms, you're just going to cure in your lamp for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to use my Beetles Top It Off top coat to fill in the rest of the mold. That way the tops will be glittery and the bottom will be clear. And this is what the mold looks like after I'm done filling up the whole bottom row. And then I'm going to pop it into my UV lamp, and I'm just putting it in for like 4 minutes just to be sure that it's cured. And now I'm tapping on them and they seem pretty cured to me, so let's pop one out. Okay, so this is the color changing gel polish. It turns white when it gets warm and turns blue when it cools down. So I did wait a little bit to pop these out of the mold for it to cool down, that way I wouldn't warp the shape when removing it. And right now I'm just removing any excess spillage from the edges, and you can just snap them off with your fingers like I'm doing, or you can file them off or even use scissors to cut them off. but these are really thin, so I found snapping them off a lot easier. And there we go, we have a little cute oblong diamond. And disclaimer, if you hear snoring in the background, that is my black pug. The dogs are back. If you're a long-time viewer of my channel, I have a white chihuahua and a black pug, and they have returned home after a long time being away. So yeah, they're back now, so if you hear pitter-patter or snoring and things like that, that's them. Anyways, I'm just removing the rest of the charms out of the mold and cleaning up the edges. And as you can see, they turned out really nicely. This mold, even though it was the smallest resin mold that I could find from my collection, it's still pretty big for my nail beds, but they would look great on longer nails. So yeah, what if you're like, I don't have any resin molds? Well, you can also use silicone food molds that are relatively inexpensive and easy to find. You can find them at the dollar store, Amazon. Everything I use will be in the links down below under nail products. So I'm just going to use my Beetles Top It Off top coat to just coat the very bottom of each teddy bear. I'm just going to try it on 2 of them first. So because these silicone molds are not clear, I'm not sure if the UV light will be able to cure all the way. So what I'm going to try to do is to just put a thin coat of gel top coat along the whole bottom and sides of the bear, and then I will cure it and see if that will help with the fact that this mold is not clear. Okay, then I'm going to take the same Model 1's glitter gel and just put a coat of glitter on each teddy bear or gummy bear. And then I will take my Beetles Top It Off top coat and fill in the rest of the bear with the clear gel before popping it into the lamp. And I let this sit for about 4 to 6 minutes under the UV lamp to just really make sure it fully cures all the way, though I'm not sure if it actually did. So let's try to unmold this and see what happens. Okay, so after curing, they feel pretty hard on the top, so yep, just tapping them, they feel like they're done. I'm gonna pop them out, and oh, they actually are pretty sticky on the bottoms, which is the top of the bear. So I'm just going to unmold it and place it back on top and let it cure for another 4 minutes, because the top is, like you can see, really sticky. And if you do happen to get gel polish on your fingers, make sure you take some acetone or alcohol and wipe it away immediately, because you don't want it to cure or sit on your skin, because it can cause allergic reactions. Not right away, but especially over time. I have been using gel polish for so long and it got on my skin so many times that I am now allergic to it. So if I touch it and I don't wipe it away, like wipe it away right away, that sounded weird, then I do get like some kind of skin irritation, dermatitis on my hands. So yeah, just be careful not to let it touch your skin. But yeah, after popping in the UV lamp for more minutes, it turned out great. Look how cute this little teddy bear is. I keep saying a teddy bear, but I mean, I guess they are teddy bears, but this is a gummy bear mold. But yeah, super cute, clear glitter gummy bear charm. Once again, if you don't fill it all the way, it kind of concaves in the back, which is great because the mold is pretty deep, so you don't have to fill it all the way up, and then that way it creates a little curve where you can fit it onto your nail, and it won't be a super high profile of a charm. It'll be kind of more sleek, even though it is kind of still bulky for a nail charm. But you know, if that's the look you're going for, this is perfect for that. And let me just show you against a black background. Look how cute. Oh, aren't they a cute little pair of gummy bears? So stinking cute. Look at that. Clear plus glitter always looks good to me, in my opinion. Here's a side profile. Look at how cute that is. I mean, I love these. You can also use these charms made out of gel nail polish for a whole bunch of other things other than nail charms. Like you can make these into earrings, rings, keychains, bracelets. The possibilities are endless, and all it took was some silicone molds and gel nail polish. So if you found this video helpful or useful in any way, make sure to click that thumbs up button, subscribe to join the Ninja Nation, and leave a comment down below of what you want to see next or what you thought about this DIY project. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!